Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring essential prerequisites are met. Close every browser tab and any cloud or streaming apps that steal cycles. Once done, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Make sure you click More Details so you see Processes, Performance, and Startup tabs. You need the full view to change priorities and end tasks safely. This immediate setup removes easy FPS drains and prepares you to tune Valorant while it's running. You next locate Valorant and Riot client processes under Details. Right-click Valorant and choose Set Priority then High. Do not use real-time because it can destabilize the system. While Valorant is running, check CPU and memory columns and end task on clear resource hogs like up to tiers or large browser processes. Once done, switch to the Startup tab and disable apps you never need at boot to free RAM and CPU later. These changes give Valorant more headroom and produce steadier FPS. You finish by watching the Performance tab to confirm CPU and GPU usage stabilizes while Valorant runs. Note spikes and which process correlates. If stutter persists, make sure to revert any risky changes, update your graphics drivers, and perform a quick reboot to clear background services. For one key troubleshooting step, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files that can cause erratic FPS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.